Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and loaded with features. Features also include rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.